Look at that sky. As I get in the open, look how beautiful that is lit. Nice and powerful. I don't know Super Night does any justice or video does justice for that. Hey, I'm Fish. Oh yeah, man. I got a harvest. My tomato plant's growing again. I don't know if it's gonna bud or not. I got gardening work to do. And when the weather changes and I got boxes, some paper, pull out the canna lilies, throw them out, cut down the sedum, clean up the backyard, and prepare for the season. I have a video I need to make, and I gotta take the time and do it. Just happen to pick a spot and go for it. Happened here. Little guy looks like he's walking. I'm where I'm supposed to be about. I'm getting things done. Pretty happy with what I'm doing. Yeah, it's always one or two that holds me back. I got one mod in the books, and I got one I'm thinking of doing to add to the mod. And I'm just not sure if it's gonna work or not. What big difference does it make if it's only a couple of dollars? Yeah, we're down again. The boats are here. Let's go take a couple of shots, 5 of them. I watch every day, and today and tomorrow's the day. Maybe the watch can be over. The funny thing is, the Osmo 360 was 412. Jump right back to 476 and probably keep going right back up. We're looking at the aft. At the street side. Must have been wonderful to back in. So let's come down to the end. Do a little talk. Did the bird just go under? That was the splash? Maybe it was. And we can sit here and try to wait if you can see him come up. Ow! Yeah. They say 7:25. You'll see the moon become harvesting. Oh yeah, man, what a beautiful sky that's happening on the other way. Well, what do you see all the time? Do you always see a full moon? Or do you always see the same sky and clouds? A cloud is never the same. It's always moving. The moon, it could evolve. It could be covered by a cloud like it's doing now, and you get some awesome shots indeed. Right? I think I start to see red. And red is a nice color of sunrise. Oh yeah, man. I'm not over there. Imagine if I went to the other side of the pier and I got that shot of the boat, of the ship, of the vessel, of the yacht. Now, yeah, this is a beautiful and lovely boat. It goes out in the evening hours, and it goes out on the weekends. Now, why is it turned around and I'm at the bow side getting a wonderful view? I don't know. I thought I'd go this route, show you the opposite side. One's a port side, one's a starboard side, right? Well, the moon's no more. It's behind a heavy cloud. And there it is. You got the sky going, the star going, and the beautiful cloud formation. It's time for me to just get on the bike, get on moseying along, get on to where I need to be at, go get some more shots. I've used my Action 5 for the whole year. At the beginning, I started to use Super Night, and I got off of it and did everything with just video mode and the Pro mode. And lately, that's what I've been doing, staying on Super Night as it's darker earlier, lighter later. I could go back on video mode, which I am, and you can see how dark I am and how beautiful the background is. Now when I switch over to Super Night, it's not a great background according to me. It's got a lot of backlight lit up. Maybe it looks good the other way where the sun don't shine, but the sun will shine over there to give some brightness. Ah, the ducks, the swans, the geese. Time for me to get on going, get on moving, go meet up with Joe, and go take care of some beeswax. And on that note, I'm Fish. See you on the next one.